Samir, if you want to pick like our top 5 moments from this year, uh, what would be that?
I would say let's go in the reverse order.
Yes.
Fifth moment for me was Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli's retirement from Test cricket.
Yeah.
That was one of the lowest point.
Yeah.
Of course, there were other lower points, but
Yeah, nobody was expecting at that point of time.
especially for Virat Kohli's retirement
Yeah.
from Test cricket was not expected.
Yeah.
But yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah. Number 4 पे मेरे लिए I think IPL win. It was just incredible to see a man who kind of waited 18 years celebrate that victory. And he played a huge role in that campaign as well. Like 600 से ज़्यादा run, but इस time पहली बार like Bangalore looked like a well-rounded side, and
Yeah.
they honestly won it in the auctions when they put together this team. But yeah, incredible win. थोड़ा सा उसके बाद it was sad to see the celebrations and जो हुआ उसके बाद, but overall like number 4 पे I would put IPL win for this year.
Yeah. And number 3 पे for me it is Siraj का वो last ball
Yeah.
against England Test series.
Yeah.
And with that CU celebration and India leveling the series 2-2 in England, that was one of the top moments for me.
Again,
in
a huge
2025.
difference between losing 3-1 and leveling 2-2. I think that made the difference. वो even जब final day पे हम गए थे, England had the upper hand on that 5th day, but incredible comeback story.
Yeah, I mean it was 2-2, but it felt like a
Victory. Yeah.
3-0 victory.
Absolutely. Number 2 पे I would put the Champions Trophy win. Again, like the same, I would say the same side that we had for our World Cup. वहाँ नहीं हम खत्म कर पाए, but इस बार totally different conditions, we were able to win against all the best white ball cricket playing nations. So
Yeah. And number 1 पे I would say Jemima Rodriguez innings
Yeah.
against Australia.
Yeah.
And India eventually going on to win the World Cup title for the first time
Yeah.
in women's cricket.
Yeah.
That was for me the best moment of 2025.
Yeah, 100% agree. वो जो mental block था like for winning against Australia, जो हमेशा हमारा final hurdle होता था, इस बार we met them in the semi-final, but what an emotional game for like Team India and Jemmy for sure. All the struggles that she was going through, it was incredible to see that knock. And then yes, we kind of made sure that we finish on the right note and grab that victory for us. So yeah, so these are our top 5 moments for 2025. हमें बताओ कि आपके top moments क्या है in Indian cricket in 2025, and we'll be waiting to see those comments.